The department is here to see and observe what this company is doing in terms of bringing all the emerging farmers, and especially the young ones that are still starting up farming, into coaching them so that at least they are not they are able to access especially market and funding, because it becomes very difficult for them to access market even though they will be farming. Also, they've brought some tools that are most affordable for the upcoming farmers so that they are able to maintain them and drive them alone, even if they work as individuals than co-ops. So this is very beautiful. You see young people which are interested. If they are going to be made to access market, it will be very beneficial and good for them. So we are really appreciate and encourage the private-public partnership, because the private companies are also helping us as government. If we are to work together with, then we can achieve what we intend to do, and at least help and assist the upcoming and emerging farmers.